Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read this assignment to you. If you would like to continue the assignment without listening to me read it, you can stop the video now. However, if you would like to hear me read everything for you, you can continue to play the video. Also, when you are listening to the video, remember you can pause the video. You can also replay parts of the video if you need to. So the first thing you need to do is type your first and last name. Do that now. The first question says, what spelling is in the word plow? So does plow have O-W or does it have O-U? Choose your answer. What spelling is in the word plow? The next one, which spelling is in the word proud? O-W or O-U? Which spelling is in the word proud? The next one says, which spelling is in the word down? O-W or O-U? Which spelling is in the word down? The next one says, which spelling is in the word pout? Which spelling is in the word pout? O-W or O-U? The next one says, which spelling is in the word town? O-W or O-U? Which spelling is in the word town? O-W or O-U? The next one, which spelling is in the word shout? O-W or O-U? Which spelling is in the word shout? Down here, the directions change slightly. Match the picture to the word. So use this picture to help you figure out what the word is. So look at the picture and then sound out the words. Remember, our O-W and our O-U says ow. So try to sound that out. Again, look at the picture and read the words. O-W and O-U says ow. So try to sound the words out. Same thing here. Look at the picture, read the words. O-W and O-U says ow. So sound it out. And this is our last one. Again, look closely at the picture, sound the words out carefully. When you are finished, go ahead and hit the submit button and then return back to class. Thank you.